vlog. This is the first time that I've put my car in my camera since Vlogmas. I miss Christmas. I just spent literally 15 minutes trying to get all of the snow off my car, and I was trying to use this puny little thing. No, that was not gonna cut it. I literally had to get a shovel and just like shovel off my car. So that was an experience. I am very late for my massage appointment, which is at 1:30. And I really wanted to go get my nails done before the massage. Clearly that didn't happen. Oh my God, can't see anything. So I'm going to this massage. Then I have to go to CVS. Oh, damn it! Forgot my CVS extra bucks. I need to go to Target, Wegmans, who is late for a 1:30 appointment because they didn't get up in time. I'm thinking that I may have to sacrifice the nails and wait one more day. I don't even think this is a parking spot, but I'm just leaving it. All right, we're back. That was a very enjoyable massage. Sorry if I look like a mess now. I always look like a mess after massages. You put your head in that thing and just like you get like wrinkles, like lines on your face, and all your makeup gets messed up. I feel a little better now that I've made peace with the fact that I'm just gonna get the nails done tomorrow. Also, I remembered that Monday is Martin Luther King Day, which means I have an extra weekend day. Should I go to Target first or Wegmans first? I'm gonna go Target. And guess what? I remembered my bag this time because I always forget my freaking bag. All right, let's go into Target now. Also, I think I'm gonna leave my jacket off just so I don't have like a big bulky coat in the store. Forgot I had this. It's actually really good. I love coffee, in case you couldn't tell. All of the Valentine's Day socks from the dollar section, because if you did not know, Target dollar section socks are the best socks. That's actually the main reason I came here, was just to get the socks, but I mean, now that I'm here, I have been wanting to try this foundation forever, like ever since it came out. But I saw it at CVS and they did not have all of the shades, so I think this is legit the lightest shade. I think I'm gonna get this. Oh my God, it's already starting. Oh, I do need another one of these. What is the difference between like the little ones and the big ones? Well, like obviously these ones are bigger, but why? I don't know, this is probably a mistake. Oh well, you can always return it, right? No, actually I won't, because I never return things because I'm lazy AF. But oh well, it's fine. Lengthening and volumizing mascara, new formula. Let's try it. Ooh, I might get the Mad for Matte. I can't decide. No, I don't need it. I have eyeshadows. I don't need it. But these lashes though. I think Winged and Bold. These are $10 from e.l.f. What the heck? I'm kind of intrigued by all the Biore baking soda stuff. I don't even see baking soda on the ingredient list. Unless it has like some special scientific name. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm the worst. NYX kohl eyeliner and liquid eyeliner in one. This I think I'm also gonna get, but only because I actually need a new liquid liner right now. And this one says it's epic, so I mean, hello. Obviously I wanna be epic. I am gonna get one of the micro brow pencils too. Do I want ash brown or brunette is the question. I think I'm gonna go with ash brown just because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural. Like the brunette is kind of an intense color. It almost has a red to it. I really need another hydrating mist because all of mine have run out, but they're out of the Pixi one. And they don't have the NYX Dewy Setting Spray here. And, ugh. Rena needs a curling iron. I don't know anything about curling irons. What is this? Whoa, revolutionary. Oh, never mind. We're gonna go with this one. After I have everything in my cart, before I check out, I go through and make sure that I really want to buy everything. So I'm for sure getting the socks. That's the reason that I came here. For sure getting the concealer because I use that like every day and I'm almost out. Let's put the optionals out of the basket. The concealer foundation version, they're almost interchangeable, you know, so it's kind of just like I'm buying this in a different size. I don't know. I'll definitely use it. I think I'm gonna keep this one. The lashes, I don't know, man. $10? I was just thinking, like, I'm pretty sure the Eyelure lashes I get are way cheaper than that. Well, not way, but like they're cheaper. And this is e.l.f., so I shouldn't be spending more. I think I'm gonna eliminate these. This I need for sure, I'm getting that. This I've been wanting to try forever, so I'm also gonna get this. I will make a promise to myself that if I don't love it, I will return it. put that one on hold. This one I want to get because I really need a new liquid eyeliner. I just want to like switch it up. You know what I mean? I just want to switch it up. My skin's just been really bad lately and I'm trying to just try new things to improve it. I don't know. I just like am intrigued. And I actually need a new face wash anyway. So I think I'm gonna give this one a shot. See, this is what happens. I end up not eliminating anything. I have a ton of mascaras, but lately I haven't been like really drawn to any of them. Like none of them are like my go-to right now. And this is, there's a new formula and it's lengthening and volumizing, you know? And then we're here. Thing is, I'm not a huge fan of felt tips. I just got the ink liner, so I don't really need the liquid, and it's a felt tip, and I don't like felt tips, so I'm gonna eliminate that one. We eliminated 2 things, woohoo! Sabrina just called me about the curling iron, and it was a very stressful conversation. 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 to 1/2 inch, Remington, Conair. Dude, I don't know anything about hair, I don't know. But I just went with my gut, and we got the Remington 1 to 1.5 inch, so hope that works. Just walked over to Wegmans, and I'm severely regretting that decision to not wear my coat. Thank you. I actually really like these because the horrible thing about like most oatmeals is that they put so much sugar in it, but these, they put the sugar separate in a packet. Done with Wegmans. It's 4:30. I'm gonna go home, get Sabrina, go to CVS, go home again, make dinner, go to the show. I wonder if my coffee's still warm. It is still warm even though it was sitting in this super cold car. Shout out Contigo. Thank you very much. I literally look like such a mess right now. Over it. Over it. I decided to just pick Sabrina up and go to CVS.
You had a 30% off too. 121.
Oh yeah, and it doesn't expire until like the end of January, right?
Mm-hmm. Sweet. What are we making for dinner?
The princess pasta. Hi. So it is 9:30 on Sunday night. I didn't vlog anything today. Also, yes, this is the hoodie I wore yesterday. Don't judge me. Guess what time I woke up this morning? I woke up at 3 p.m. I don't know what's wrong with me. Obviously didn't get my nails done. It's 9 o'clock and I'm like, oh my god, like where did the freaking day go? I've literally just been sitting at my computer editing all day. So I didn't really want to vlog anything today because I was like in an annoyed mood and I've just been like editing. You want to see a little like behind the scenes editing. This is a mascara review that I'm doing, so that's pretty much been my day. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because it's Martin Luther King Day. And yeah, this day is like pretty blah, but I just wanted to pop on real quick. Hope your Sunday's a little more productive than mine, and we'll be back hopefully looking a little less bummish and being a little more peppy tomorrow. Good morning. So I actually got up at a semi-reasonable time this morning. Go me. I got up at like 10:30. I'm about to go work out. I think I'm going to eat a Luna bar before I work out just because I'm kind of hungry and I don't want to work out on a totally empty stomach. And I'll get some protein and whatnot before the workout. Also, I'm just going to pour myself a little bit of coffee and have the rest after just because it is like extremely cold in this house. My mom keeps it at like so cold. Yeah, you read that right. 62 degrees. Excuse me. Why are there literally cupcake thingamabobs on the floor? They're just chilling on the floor randomly. You trying to tell me something? Trying to tell me I should make some cupcakes? Just got done with my workout. Filmed a few clips so you could see, but like only like 2 or something. Whoa, that's bright and very orange. Better. Now I'm gonna take a shower and then finally get my nails done. Yes. See you later. Putting on a pair of my new Target socks. I don't know what to do because I'm kind of hungry, but I really need to go get my nails done like now. I need to get home by like 3 latest, and it is right now 1:38, so I should probably go now. But I didn't eat anything after my workout, which is, I think, bad. Do I have time to make a smoothie? I'm gonna make a smoothie real quick. Finally, going to get my nails done. Before, after, my jam, yes!
calling me, baby?
Alright, it is 2:45. I'm heading home. Feels so good to finally have my nails done. And my gym is on, so it's a good day.
How long has this been going on? Are you calling me, baby? How long has it been going on, baby? I've been a liar, been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat on my sins.
I need to see Ed Sheeran in concert. He is just like, feels. He just feels.
This time, don't really about the Sugarwood going down swinging. I'll be your number one with the bullet. I only got your blacks talking bullet.
Alright, just got home.
This is crazy. Look, every time I open it, there's like a ton more likes. I'll open it and there'll be like 100 more likes on this post. I don't know what happened. It has almost 6,000 views, dude. Almost 2,000 likes. Like, what? These numbers? I have no idea what happened. Like, am I famous? Am I famous now? I'll remember you. You're with me from the beginning. My rise to fame. Okay, so I think that's where I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you found it somewhat entertaining. Definitely let me know either way in the comments. Constructive criticism is welcomed. If you did like it, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you had an awesome weekend or beginning of your week whenever this goes up. Have a great rest of your day or night, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!